All right, so step 3 is to convert the answer into the desired units. So for this particular example, he wants to lose weight. The case study said that he wanted to lose a pound of fat, and so how long would it take him to lose a pound of fat? So what we need to figure out is we need to figure out his VO2 and his calories in net terms. All that net terms means is that we're subtracting out the resting component because we're interested in how many calories that he burns above and beyond normal rest. That's how we're going to figure out weight loss. So anytime that you get a question that involves weight loss, it says something to the effect of you want to burn a pound of fat or you want to burn several pounds of fat or they're trying to lose weight or it just simply says figure this out in net terms, you want to make sure you do this conversion first. So in order to get net VO2, it's very simple math. You just take the VO2 and subtract 3.5, which will give you 24.1 in this case, milliliters per kilogram per minute. And the other thing that I want to point out, all of the equations, the walking, the running, all of the cycle, the ergometry, arm ergometry, and the stepping, all of those equations, the VO2 that it gives you, those are in gross terms. So we always have to convert them to net. If we need net, we have to convert what we get from that equation into net terms just by subtracting out the resting component. The next thing we need to do, which we've done in the other equations, is we need to do a little bit of simple math. We're going to take 24.1, multiply times his weight in kilograms, which is 78.6, and divide by 1,000. Again, this is on your sheet, and this is always going to be the same. That's going to give me 1.89 liters per minute. Then I'm going to take 1.89 liters per minute, and I'm going to multiply times 5 in order to get kilocalories per minute, which is going to give us 9.47 kilocalories per minute. Now the question was, how long is it going to take him to burn a pound of fat? There are 3,500 calories in a pound of fat. So in order to figure this out, I simply need to divide 3,500 by 9.47. So 3,500 calories in a pound of fat, and he's burning 9.47 calories per minute, and that's going to give me a little over 370 minutes total that he's going to have to work out. That's about 6 hours. That's a long time. That's a lot of working out just to burn 1 pound of fat. And that's, of course, keeping everything else the same. That's not overeating to compensate. That's keeping everything else the same.